Hello, so for this video, you are going to be able to take these are just scrap pieces that I just cut so that we can do this tutorial. What I want you to know is that when you're putting it together, if you want to add another color, I'm going to show you how to do that today. So for example, let's say that the sides of this box were okay with the brown. But this particular part of the box had a pretty pink design on it. So we wanted to connect the pink to the design so that it looks like it's all one little piece. So what you'll do is you'll take your string, and always remember to leave a little here. And then we're going to go on the inside where you can see a little bit of the roughness from the inside. So this is pretty much the inside of our box. So once you flip it over, you see the pretty side. So how you're going to start it is you're going to go up underneath here, but remember you've pulled some through, so be very careful. So I'm going to put that there, and then you're going to pull it through, but I'm going to hold my finger on it really hard on the yarn because I don't want my yarn to come back through. And we're going to leave a little extra hanging out because we don't want to pull it back through. So we're going to leave that extra hanging out. Don't need that much. All right. Now when you're going to start your next color, as you see here, you're just going to go through this hole first. Okay? And then you're going to close it. So we're going to hold this here. We're going to fold it. We're going to hold it. And then you're going to go back through that same hole. And it's going to look like that. And then you're going to go through this hole. And now you've added a touch of color. You can use, I've used like 10 different colors, you know. It doesn't matter what colors you want to use. It's how to start and how to finish. So now that you know how you start it without anything, I'm going to show you how to finish it once we add this color. This could be a tissue box. This could be a perfume box. It could be coasters, a coaster box. Whatever you're designing, this is how you would stitch it. Okay, so now we're done. And you can even go in the other color too. It's okay. So now we've done that. So now you have this really pretty color to your design. So if your design was pink, now you've got some pretty color here. So we're just going to stick it back through here like that. Now we're done. So we're going to flip it over. We're going to tuck it up under our pink, go through a few, and we're going to pull it. There we go. And then you go back up underneath that one pink that you just came out of and do it again. And ta-da. Now you're just going to snip that off, and voila. You've now attached. And that's basically with nothing. I literally pulled it out of the air. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below if it has to do with this video, or if you have any questions to any other video, then leave a comment in that video and I will be more than happy to answer those questions for you. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.